Hello everyone, welcome back to our class in the period of lockdown. Today we are going to learn because in the period of lockdown we are learning online some concept of grammar. Today we are going to learn a basic concept of grammar, affixes. What do you mean by affixes? Anyone? Affixes means words that are derived or formed from other word is called affixes. Word means affixes means words that are derived. Derived means derivation of word means form of the word means one word formed from another word. That is means derivation. Means word that are derived or formed from other word is called affixes. Understood? Words that are derived from other word is called affixes. Or we are also saying that words that are developed from other word is called affixes. Affixes have in the opposite of affixes. What we are saying that opposite of affixes? If you are clear this concept, affixes. Opposite of affixes is primary word. Which word that are not formed? Word that are not formed means primary word. Means opposite of affixes is primary word. And here we are going to learn affixes. Affixes means we are classify these affixes into two forms: prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes. What do you mean by prefixes? Means when we are form the new word, when we are going to form the new word, that time we are joining some prefixes before the word. If we are joining the prefixes before the word, that time we are saying that these words are the prefixes. And for example, enrich, disagree, impossible, unfair. Here see that. Enrich means which prefix we join here? In. Means it is a rich is the root word. And when we are joining prefixes n, that time we form here new word enrich. Here also second word see that. Disagree means root word is here agree, and when we are join their prefix dis, that time we are formed here new word disagree. Then next word see impossible. Which prefix we join here? In means impossible, and root word is possible means impossible is the is the prefix, and we are formed here new word impossible. Unfair. Unfair also see that word. Fair is the root word, and we joining the un, and then we form here new word unfair. Like this way we are saying that means before the word, when we are joining the prefixes, that time we form the new word, and these words are the means we identify these words have the prefixes. Now suffixes. What do you mean by suffixes? When you are going to form the new word, that time after the word we join some suffixes. After the word we join some suffixes. That time we are saying that these words have the suffix and we form the new word. Examples of these suffixes. Word government. Government, M-E-N-T, means we join here suffix, means after the word govern is the root word, and we join M-E-N-T, ment, suffix, means we form the new word with the help of suffix government. Then next word is natural, which is the root word here? Nature. And when we are joining, which prefix we join here? AL means al. means we form the new word with the help of suffix natural. The next word is beautiful. Which is the root word here? Beauty. And when we are joining suffix ful, full, then we form the new word beautiful. Darkness. Means which suffix we join here? Dark is the root word and ness. We join here suffix ness. Like this way, means new word is formed there, darkness. Like this way we are, when we are, these are the very common concept in grammar, but very important. Because for exam also, means in the your passage related question of grammar, there is affixes. Means find the affixes from this passage. Like this way questions are there. That's why it is very important concept of grammar. And that's why we have to learn how these words are formed. When we are saying that these words are prefix, when we are saying that this word is suffix, it is very important to know. And that's why we learn that affixes. In your textbook, 10th standard textbook, there is lesson number 1.2. You have to find from passages. Passage number 1 and 2. You have to find these prefixes and suffixes from this passage and write in your notebook. It is your homework. Because these affixes you have to find, means for board exam also it is very important, from 8th standard to 10th standard. Here means it is very important to know about the affixes, because if it is a common concept, then also it is very important for the exam also. Okay, thank you.